Hi, this is IK. Welcome to why add a new AddPostForm component did not re-render. Click in title and typing something, content typing, save post. Only initial AddPost is rendering. Only initial, not re-rendering. Don't exist re-rendering. Why? Because set state from set state work asynchronous. And here is before we have here async keyword asynchron, and in front of dispatch we have await, async await. Also here we have unwrap. Now I delete async, and this on save post clicked not asynchron. It is a synchron, and again there is no re-render because if set state execute synchron, it means when onSave post click function start, at first set add request status to pending. It was idle, now is pending. Immediately, if it is executed, immediately we would have a re-rendering of add new post component, but we have not. It means, again, after that we have dispatch add new post, and after that our add new post form only need take from us users our typing, title and content, and push submit, and forget add new post, forget for other, don't interested in other process. Other process go by tank, and the tank send dispatch pending type of action fulfilled, and all that. There is add case loop, add case feedback to user interface. Nothing with add new post form, and because of that, this process can go step by step synchronized, but don't go. It means that set state by default React create batch, but execute it in asynchron part. Asynchron part means, okay, I go out, I create batch of this code, of this set. I create batch of this set state, but also must okay. I look at now what does it only set. Okay, it's all go set. We spoke about set state. Set state go in batch. But in that, that batch would be execute asynchron. What means asynchron? Asynchron means, okay, I go out of the trade, I go out of the car, for example, you drive ahead, I go out, and I take you again when I finish job, and you go ahead, And that batch, but execution in batch is synchronized, of course. It means in that asynchronous process, at first execute set address set at the add request status in pending. It was idle, now is pending. But because we get out of the car, idle status is rest in the car, and don't see that we change set add request in pending. It is in asynchronous process, but at first is execute set address request status change in pending. But it is not, it is set state. But that set state, because it is in asynchron, don't change, don't mutate by immutable way, don't mutate state pending. Second in synchronize is dispatch, add new post. Set add request is in beginning because it is a stop possibility to push button more time than one, submit, and it will be turn back value idle in the end, finally. Here is idle finally. Okay, synchronize in asynchronous place. Set add request status pending. Dispatch add new post. Excellent. After that, we don't need more title and content. Set title empty, set content empty, set error null, and if we have error or we have not error, finally would be set add post request, set add request status idle. It would be idle. And that result of that asynchronous process, synchronous process in asynchronous situation, in asynchronous place, finished. And all that set give back to main program, synchron, and because all result is as before, add post AddPostForm, there is no reason for re-rendering. No one set start re-rendering. No one set is reason for re-rendering for. And it is for better understand what happened here, because if you go to discuss with artificial intelligence, we can expect that artificial intelligence one time said you set state is only asynchron in class component and no asynchron. It is synchron in functional component. In some other case, we'll spoke about okay, yeah, sorry, set state, yeah, at first set state in functional is synchronized, but in some other place, in some other situation, we'll said in some other time, say you, ah, yes, yes, sorry, uh, uh, set state is asynchron in functional component also. And but in continuous can spoke something about synchronized, and it is why I explain now. It Asynchron means go out and some batch of code uh, solve in synchronize row by row. Programming is programming, always is synchronized, but does it execute in function thread in memory or go out from function thread from function process from programs space in memory, go out, solve, synchronize yourself, and go back to program. Get out, solve, and synchronize, but out of the program, and program don't know what happened in the asynchronous process, and asynchronous process when solving step by step, row by row, synchronize, with the result, go back to program. And here is like that. Uh, okay, it's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video.